To remove the headlight on Nissan Quest, the first thing you need to do is, at a minimum, you need to get the front bumper loose. Over here you have the bolt, and then you have another bolt on the bumper that holds it right on this corner, right below the headlights, and that will give you enough room to pull out the headlight but also get to the bolts. Now let's look really quick what bolts you need to remove. So up here on top you can see you have this. That's a 10mm bolt right there that needs to be removed. You also have one bolt right here that's already been removed. Next we come at the bottom, and you can see there's another 10mm bolt right there that has already been removed. Once you remove those bolts, you'll come over here and you can see there is the fourth bolt right there. Remove all those 4 bolts and then disconnect the lights, the harness, and then you should be able to pull out the headlight.